We're going to check the Airshield and make sure it's installed correctly and verify the Motor blade is rotating properly. If you look through the square hole in the Airshield, you should be able to see a rotating blade. If not, remove the Airshield by pushing it towards you, pulling down and out. It's important to ensure that the blade is rotating at all times to prevent any fluctuations or unrepeatable test results. If the blade is not rotating, the motor is likely at fault and will need to be replaced. More on this later. If the motor blade is rotating properly, reinstall the Airshield by inserting the 2 pegs at the bottom and push up until they are securely in place on the opposite side. Make sure the blade isn't being obstructed by the Airshield. Following these steps will help ensure the accuracy and reliability of your test results. Unfortunately, if the blade is not rotating, the motor will need to be replaced. Our highly experienced and qualified technicians can get the job done. Email us at info@lissci.com or fill out a service request form on our website, lissci.com.